made braids in like 4 months. I don't like the market for any reason. Yeah, this is my hair. I love my hair so much, guys. Hey friends, welcome to a new vlog. How are you all doing? I hope you're fine. I hope your week has been going well. Guys, today is Tuesday. I don't know why I'm starting the vlog up today, but the past week has it was a roller coaster health-wise, but I feel much better now. And today I want to go get my hair washed. I think this vlog is going to be a maintenance vlog. So I just want to get my hair done and everything. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but I couldn't because I wasn't feeling strong enough. But today I'm going to get my hair washed because tomorrow the hairdresser will come to the house and make my hair, hopefully, because she hasn't responded. I want to go get my hair washed because last week I washed my hair to keep it. I kept this hair for a week, and during the week I went out. I didn't take the car and it rained and my hair got wet and shrunk, and right now it's really strong to comb and very uncomfortable. So I have to go get the hair washed and straightened out before I can get my hair done at home tomorrow morning. So yeah, this vlog is gonna be all maintenance. I probably will get my nails done. I'm thinking of getting my brows laminated. I've never done any of that before. Probably brows laminated. I'm not sure. All those brow, what I call that thing? I don't know. But all those things, I'm not really a fan of it, and I don't like it. So I'm not sure I'm gonna be doing them. So probably getting my brows laminated, getting my lashes done, getting my nails done. I'm not sure yet, but the hair part is a must because I want to start creating content more. I don't know. Lately, I've just been not interested in creating content as much anymore because I've been having this content creation is saturated kind of feeling. It's not good, actually. But we'll talk about that one another day because it's way deeper than it seems. But yeah, it's a maintenance vlog, so come along with me to go get my hair washed. I had to get my hair done tomorrow. Let's go, guys. Hi, it looks like it's about to rain. You see that? Friend got me ice cream, my favorite banana ice cream, and whatever chocolate this is, and cake. That is all, guys. This is the last one. Ah! done with my hair. 4 hours and we didn't even finish everything. See? One more left out of the pack and my hair is done. We're done. We need this one. Do you need this one? No. Oh, we don't need it. I look extremely good. I look good. Okay guys, I just got my hair done and I'm all dressed up. I'm heading out for service, so I'm kind of late. I'm not kind of late, I'm late. Service has started, so yeah. I love my hair, guys. I love my hair so much. God, I haven't made braids in like 4 months. I look so good. I love my see you guys later. Bye. So guys, I'm heading home right now. Service took longer than expected. I actually forgot that this was not just like a Dodomo midweek service, so it took longer. Like this is like past 8 to 9. So I'm heading home right now. I don't know if I'm heading home directly. I'm going to get food because I'm hungry, but let's see how we move. Bye guys. Plantain in here. Oh god, guys, it's cold. Let's go home. I'm scared. Okay guys, we have another quick stop. I need to get something for everyone at home. I cannot get something for myself, so I'll get something for people at home. Please, good evening. Do you guys have your marisa? Your marisa. Thank you. Who would have known that one day I'll be comfortable driving in the night? Like this is dark out. And I actually prefer driving without the street lights. I feel like they're distracting. I'm almost home, thank God. This is like past 9. I didn't plan on actually being out this late, but anyways, I can't even stare at the camera. I need to look at the road where I'm going. I'm driving not in speed, no, but perfect speed. Yeah, perfect speed. Guys, I'm home. It's 12 minutes past 9. Good night. Hey friends, good morning. Hey friends, good afternoon. It's another beautiful day. Guys, do you love my hair? Because I love it. I love it a lot. Anyways, today I'm going to get my lashes done and my nails done. I have been contemplating and I've been overwhelmed. Like since morning, I was actually supposed to go out to get my makeup done, do a photo shoot, do this, that. But things didn't like turn out that way, so we're just gonna get strip lashes. Hopefully if the lady can actually do the strip lashes, and I'm just gonna fix on other stick on nails because I don't want to fix my nails. I don't know why. It's been a long time I fixed my nails. I used to be an acrylic girly, but then I stopped all of a sudden to let my nails heal. But in the process I got used to it, and then I started seeing a lot of videos about acrylic not being good for your nails, and I'm trying to go into this new is it bias, I don't know what they call it, that healthy nail thing. So I want to get into that. Like it seems like a wise decision, a pretty wise decision. Sorry, I'm outside. I don't know because I'm about to head out. So anyways, I'm going to get my nails done, just put some clip on and get my lashes fixed because I'm traveling tomorrow. So this vlog is probably going to end here or not. You're probably going to follow me or not. Let's see. Anyways, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so there's been a bit of change of plans. I'm heading to the market right now to go get some things, some new outfits before I travel. Then I'll go get my lashes and nails done. And I just finished taking pictures and I just realized that I don't actually need to get lashes done. My lashes are pretty long, but let's just see. So guys, I just walked past someone and okay, she's not there. I just walked past someone and she smiled and stared at me while she was greeting me. She smiled and stared at me in a certain kind of way. Then I was like, why is she blushing? It's not in a bad kind of way. It was just like, oh, look at how she looks. It's cute. That kind of thing. So then I checked myself out. I was like, what's wrong? Do you know, I just noticed that I'm wearing brown from head to kind of toes. Like my bag too is brown. Brown, brown, brown. My slipper on the serve is brown. Oh my god. Cute. I actually love the color brown, but this is a lot. Even me too, I'm brown. Okay. Something. Guys, I'm so tired. I don't know why I cannot just go to this. It's not even real market though. It's just roadside market. I can't go there and just spend 5 minutes and then come out. No, I think I spent up to an hour. Anyways, I only got one thing. One thing. Couldn't even get everything I wanted. I only got one thing. And everybody was just pulling me and dragging me and holding me. I looked at one man, I was like, can you leave me? Because I feel slap you. Oh, honestly, market is actually one of the most irritating places to be. That's why one day, not one day, I wish and I work hard enough to make enough money that I don't need to go to the market. I do not want to go to the market. Even if it's to buy food stuff, I do not want to go to the market. I've always been against, yes, I've always been against going to the market to buy anything. I don't care. Bring the fish to my house, bring the eggs to my house, bring the chicken to my house. But bring it dead, but bring it. Like, I don't like the market for any reason. And this one self is even small. The one in Lagos, Jesus. The first time they took me, one of my aunties took me out to Lagos market. Jesus. She took me to Aja just to show me around in case I want to get something. I was like, well, I want to get from here. And honestly, when I was in Lagos, I didn't really go to the market like that. Even if I went, I didn't go deep inside and I didn't go alone. So, because that first day she took me there, I don't even know what the English word is. I don't know, but I was. Hey, these people were dragging me, speaking to me, pointing at me. I didn't even do nothing. I didn't do anything. I was just walking. I was just a human being. But I guess being a human being isn't the right thing to do. You're in Lagos. You gotta be crazy, you know? In Lagos, you cannot just be on a bike regular. Someone will talk to you. Remember when I was there and I used to go to work? I'm actually just talking to you. You know when you're walking home, I need someone to talk to. Yeah, I'm talking to you guys. You guys are my phone call. So, you know when you're going to work and maybe you wore like a skirt or a dress and you cannot sit, you can't cross over your leg to the other side of the bike. So normally, I usually sit sideways on the bike. I did that in Lagos. Hey, come and see people. See this girl, oh. Yeah. See them. That's what they sit. On she fall by that. I'm like, oh my god. What the hell is wrong with you guys? Why are you guys like this? Like, why are you guys like that? Like, if you're in Lagos and you're in Lagos, you have grown up and lived in Lagos. Why are you guys like that? Why not civilized? Anyways, God have mercy. They pulled me here and there. I remember when I was in Aja Market, I was looking at something, and the man I said,
I don't know. She spoke pigeon. I'm not very good at pigeon, but I look at me, go buy a I was so scared of looking at things after that day. Like, actually, I don't look now. Like, since that day, I stopped staring at things when I go to Ajama. Because I just look and I face my friends. I don't stare at that thing to admire it and see if I want to get it. So if you know that you have seen me before passing the market and you want me to buy something for me, I don't look. It's what they have instilled in me. Don't stare. Or if you look at you by it. These guys were shouting and nah. I don't like market experience for any reason. Since when I was younger, I always said I would be filthy rich enough to order my meals online, enough to order anything online or anything. I even had like business ideas from the things I hate. Like, you know, they always say that if you want to start up a business and you don't have an idea, think about something you need a solution to. That's your idea. But you know, the money to like finance my business, I have lots of ideas. Like ideas I know that if you put this thing to work, if you have the capital to start what the ideas I have, you'll be a billionaire. But you gotta be a little bit of a millionaire before you start becoming a billionaire. So and right now we are in is it underneath 1,000? Actually, I'm a millionaire. Don't. I'm just being humble. I'm a millionaire. I say millionaire. Well, whatever. Guys, I'm home. Bye. It was nice talking to you guys on this phone call. Thank you all for picking and listening as I rant tiredly. I still have to go and fix my lashes though. I'm still contemplating on that, but anyway. Bye, guys.
Hey friends, I'm back home, so I couldn't go out anymore. I was supposed to go out, but it's getting late and it was about to rain. Anyways, guys, this is my nails. These are the lashes I fixed. You can't even notice that I fixed lashes because my own lashes are really long. Like, it's not even noticeable, but there's a significant enhancement. Different. Anyways, but yeah, this is my hair. I love my hair so much, guys. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, I love my hair so much. So I'm so happy to be back. Like this, like lashes, hair, nails. It's been a long time I did all this, guys, and I'm so happy I did it. And as I have started, I'm going to continue, because once you start something, you can't stop it, you know. But it was because I didn't do my nails for a long time. I didn't do my hair for a long time. I didn't do my lashes. I only got my lashes done like once in my like entire life, like lash extensions, but I went back to get it removed, and while I was removing it, someone was like, if I had type of lashes, I wouldn't be doing lash extension. That's why I did this one. So it's not human hair, but it's just I just want to look, you know, different and a little bit finer and a little put together. So I'll be traveling tomorrow, so got to go get ready. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one. I look so beautiful. I'm so happy, guys. See you guys in my next one. Bye.